Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a very long time. Honestly, I've been very busy, but I'm back now. And today I have kind of a cut crease red eyeliner makeup look for the Lunar New Year, and it's just around the corners. And in today's video, I will be trying out the MAC Moon Masterpiece Double Gleam highlighter. This is their new Chinese New Year collection, and I really love this highlighter. So if you want to see how it applies and what I think about it, just keep watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. For today's video, I'll be using this palette from Huda Beauty. It's the Desert Dusk palette. I'm gonna go with saffron. Let's dip into saffron. And I'm just gonna apply it right above where my crease is. So from my crease, I'm going to drag the color outwards like this. And down close to my nose bridge. I think it's gonna be a very quiet Lunar New Year because I guess we won't be able to gather with too many people. But you know, you can always do this makeup look to celebrate at home. And yeah, anyways, just a little life update. I haven't been uploading on YouTube, mainly because I haven't had any time to film because I got a new job. In my previous job, it was I was working for the health ministry, so I worked 5 days a week, and I had quit that job and found a job in the private sector. That job requires me to work 6 days a week. Life has been pretty hectic since, because you know, when you work 6 days a week, you only have 1 day off, and it's just a day for me to like just catch my breath and catch up on sleep, and then you know, meal prep for the week. So it's really difficult to film and edit, you know, because I'm just tired all the time. So yeah, but you know, I'm just going to try to upload whenever I can. So if you're gonna do a cut crease, I would recommend you to get a tiny little brush like this. So this is where my crease is, so I'm just going to start here. To kind of like soften out everything. I don't really have much planned for Lunar New Year. I had purchased a hot pot soup base from Hadid, and it's the mala flavor, which is spicy flavor, and we are going to do a little own hot pot at home. Okay, with this really tiny angled brush, I'm going to dip back into saffron and just kind of define the crease a little bit. I also thought that I should do some vlogs and upload them, but I tried to vlog because I thought I could, if I can't do makeup, then at least I can vlog my daily life and upload it. But my schedule daily, weekly is pretty much the same, so I didn't enjoy the content that I was getting from vlogging, so I finally never edited those videos. So yeah, I mean, my schedule is pretty much the same, and I don't really go anywhere because I'm really busy, and also because of Corona, so vlogging has been difficult too. In the same palette, I'm going to use Nefertiti, and with my fingers, I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. I also have this glitter eyeshadow kind of thing from Rom&nd, and I'm also gonna apply that to my eyelids. I'm just gonna apply where the gold is, so just right under where I cut the crease. Now we're going to go in with the red eyeshadow. I mean, the red eyeliner. You don't have to use red, you can just go with black or brown, but I'm going to try something a little different. Okay, so for my under eye, I'm going in with Amber on the same palette. Now I'm gonna line my lower waterline with this green gel liner from ColourPop as well. I think this is in... wait, what? Get Paid. I'm going to finish up this other eye and then we'll complete the whole look. So now we move on to the most exciting part of the video, and we are going to try out MAC's new Chinese New Year collection. This is from the Moon Masterpiece collection for Chinese New Year this year, and it is the Extra Dimension Skin Finish highlighter in Double Gleam. So this highlighter my husband got for me, and I am super excited to start using it. It's so beautiful. It's kind of like a pop art packaging, and it says Nian Nian You Yu. So in Mandarin, Yu, which is fish, also sounds the same. It has the same pronunciation as the word in excess. So it's a very common greeting in Chinese culture to say, you know, Happy New Year, Nian Nian You Yu. So hopefully every year you have everything in excess. Okay, so now we're gonna open this. Actually, the most beautiful part of this highlighter is on the inside, and it's pretty. Oh my god, look at this packaging. So it has the same pop art fish on the front of the packaging, and oh my god, this was the only reason why I wanted this highlighter and nothing else from this collection, because look how pretty. Oh my god. I think I'm just gonna dip at the sides here. I don't want to damage the fish, but oh my god, look at how pretty this is. I'm gonna go in with this super tiny brush. Oh, the only downside about this packaging, I feel, is the material that it's made with. It's kind of like the rubbery, plasticky feel that NARS also has a similar packaging with some of the lipsticks. So the problem with this packaging is that it gets dirty easily. So you gotta be really careful with this. Now with the same MAC highlighter, I'm going to highlight my face, and it's going to be amazing. It is so pretty. Wow. I'm gonna highlight my nose. I'm gonna go in with my fingers just to see how it applies. Oh yeah, it's definitely more intense if you go in with your fingers. Okay, so for my lips, look at how dry my lips are. I have no idea what's happening. It's so dry that sometimes when I smile, it actually hurts. Like, I can feel my lips like this, and it's so painful. I tried putting lip balm and stuff, but it's so dry. because the eye look is pretty intense, so I'm gonna go with something a little more neutral, and I'm also gonna put on a gloss because this is so chappy right now. So about the highlighter, I absolutely love it. It's so pretty, the packaging and just the highlighter inside, and also the formula and the glow is amazing. So if you had to choose just one from this collection, definitely go for the highlighter. But you know, I'm sure the rest are good too, but I only wanted this one because it's just so pretty. I saw it on Instagram and I knew I had to get it, and my husband got it for me. So yeah, I love it so much. The formula is really good. It applies on so well. And I think it really suits all skin tone if you ask me. So yeah, just to show you again how pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope everyone has a very happy Lunar New Year. 新年快乐，万事如意 and 年年有余. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.